Hey everybody, on this video we've got a Chateau brand 50mm laminated steel padlock that I cut off of a storage locker a couple of days ago. And we'll see now if we can maybe pick it open here. And to find a thin pry bar, it's like probably 25 thousandths or something, or 30 thousandths, real thin here. It's actually, I believe it's one of the Avis keyways is what this guy uses. Okay, so get some tension on it here. I got a little bit of rotation there. Oh no, actually it looks like, no, I thought maybe it opened. It looks like a false set, I guess. I thought maybe it popped open, so I guess we got some spool pins we're dealing with. I just want to make sure this damn thing is not open here. Yeah, it is open. Okay. So, not too hard of a pick. See, it is open. It looks like it's staying that way. So, anyway, it's a 50mm Chateau padlock, single pin picked. And for people that care, it was a 18 thousandths Peterson gem was the pick I used. And the pry bar is, I think it's 30 thousandths, if I just had to guess. But anyway, I guess until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.